Okay, I'm supposed to be making a video of all the ideas for having something for Christmas gifts, and I decided to come up with this video for Christmas gifts because they're all the nice brand new products that Young Living rolled out in July. And I thought to myself, why not gift somebody that you know of in your team one of these amazing products that will actually help them learn more about all the new lines, and everybody who is in your team who wasn't at convention and have not got to experience all these great products when we were there, get to share them. To the left, of course, we have the Thieves dish soap, and then we have the Thieves laundry soap. And then in the back there, the Pure Protein Complete, which has vanilla spice and the chocolate. Yummy. And to the far right, we have the waterless hand purifier that is a refill for the little hand soap. Is that awesome or what? Plus, right there in the middle, we have the Ninja Zing, which is great because for all those pop lovers out there, this is a healthier option, and you get paid back for drinking it because you can share it with each individual person you see along the way, and you get paid back for that. Excellent idea. Plus, the Thieves fruit and veggie soak and spray. The soap to the left is for the kitchen when you're washing up the fruits and vegetables that you buy from the store to put into that wonderful smoothie with your complete mix. And then the spray when you're on the go and you don't have time to grab anything extra healthy with our awesome bars, you can actually do the spray and spray all your wonderful food with it and know it's chemical free then and clean it off. And yes, I have the sleek bars, not the dark chocolate ones because they were not available at the time because they ran out every time I went to order them, but I enjoyed a couple of boxes of them when I was there. I bought them. So just note, when you go to a convention next time, make sure you have extra money on hand so you can experience all these products and buy them. So these are my wonderful Christmas gift ideas that I love, that I'm going to share with my family and friends as they come over and I do one-on-ones with, and when I teach a class. So there you go. That's my Christmas idea list.